Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Advocate Shreyas Rao. Through this video, I shall be speaking about revisiting the law of prohibition on alcohol in Gujarat. Or for that matter, it could be any other state where there exists ban on alcohol. The fact of the matter is, alcohol and cigarettes generate the highest amount of revenue to the government. And the government, of course, requires revenue. Every government requires revenue. Without revenue, the government cannot function, cannot do welfare activities, cannot cater to infrastructure, cannot cater to healthcare, cannot cater to education, cannot cater to the defense establishment in the country. The ban was imposed maybe when India came into existence or when India became republic. However, law is always in a state of flux. It's dynamic, it's not static. So every law has to be revisited and reconsidered so that it keeps pace with changing times and circumstances. Alcohol consumption happens across the length and breadth of the country. In places where alcohol is prohibited, it happens surreptitiously and it happens covertly and clandestinely. Now, I would like to address this ban from the constitutional perspective. Now, as per Article 19, if an individual has a right to profession, an individual may want to set up an alcohol distillery or want to get into the business of alcohol or liquor. Because of this ban, which I believe is unjustified, unwarranted, and unreasonable, he will not be able to pursue a business of alcohol in Gujarat, which I believe is impinging on his fundamental right. Now, let me come to Article 21. What does Article 21 say? No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except by procedure established by law. Here, a person's personal liberty is jeopardized because he is being deprived of alcohol. It's not that everybody is a habitual drinker or everybody is an alcoholic. By and large, people are moderate drinkers. A person should be permitted to drink alcohol in moderation. If he is not, you are depriving of his personal liberty. So, this ban directly encroaches on Article 19 and Article 21. So, I believe that the state government and the central government has to revisit and reconsider this law, and if possible, permit setting up of alcohol distilleries, factories in Gujarat, or allow consumption of alcohol to the people of Gujarat, the residents of the state of Gujarat. Because it's high time, and you have to be very practical and pragmatic and realistic about it, and not be hypocritical about it. I mean, give up all the double standards, be realistic, and it's high time we do it. Thank you.